Can we use YouTube in background of iPhone? Hello guys and welcome back to another tutorial video. Now before we start, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So let's get started now. First, let us head over to our YouTube to find that out. So after you're on your YouTube, you can open up any video and you'll find out that it's not possible unless you have the premium version of YouTube. Now, having the premium version of YouTube obviously costs us money, and normally we don't want that. Now, without the premium version, there is no possible way to use the YouTube in background of iPhone. Now, that's the case for the app. Now, what might be for the a web version? So let us head over to our youtube.com on our web browser. Any web browser is fine. And here the mobile version is almost as same as the app. So let us head over to our Windows version or our laptop's version, desktop. So simply as I did right here, simply tap on this option on the left hand side, tap on the three dots on the right hand side, and there you will see request desktop app. Now after you tap on request desktop version, this version will open up. Now here you can open up any video that you'd like. So let me open this up. So after you open it up, you will notice an option. So after you open up the video, you will see this option right here, this option. Now if you tap on it, your YouTube will get minimized. Now as you can see right here, you can just tap on it again to put it on the side. If it does not work, what you can do is you can simply head back to your full screen and head back to the normal page of YouTube, and here you should find the option. This is the option. After you do that, you will notice this happening. Now let me get back here. You'll notice this happening. Now if this is the case, what if we just head back to our normal device? That is, what if we head back to our home screen? Will it be like this? Will it be play in the background? So if I go back, there is no way that YouTube plays in the background. So I hope this video answers your question. YouTube does not play in the background in iPhone unless you have the premium. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.